We all make mistakes, but this common yoga mistake means you're not getting the results you want as quickly as you want. Or worse, it's putting you at risk of injury. Hi, I'm Kate, and the biggest mistake online yoga videos make is not warming you up properly. And it's a big darn deal, because yoga is a physical activity. That means we can look at sports science to make yoga more effective. And the science is very clear on this one. It says if you want to get the most out of your physical activity, like yoga, you need to warm up every time. The gold standard of sports science, the American College of Sports Medicine, gives 5 reasons to warm up. It increases your flexibility. Warming up also raises your muscle temperature, which prepares your body for the work you're about to do. Warming up improves something called your VO2 max, which is a way of gauging your fitness level. A higher VO2 max typically means you are in better shape. Warming up also improves how well your brain and your muscles work together. And warming up reduces your level of fatigue when exercising. Oh, and one more benefit. It reduces your chance of injury. The bottom line is always warm up if you want to get more out of your time on the mat. Warm-ups are preparation, and you're looking for a certain sign to tell you if you've warmed up enough. If you're enjoying this video, click the like button. And keep watching if you're new to yoga and want to learn how to go from being an unsure and intimidated beginner to a confident yoga practitioner with a strong body, clear mind, and inspired life. What sign will tell you if you've warmed up enough? You're looking to break a sweat. A light sweat is a reliable way to know that you've raised your internal body temperature enough to move on to the next phase of practice. There's no need for an expensive smartwatch or heart rate monitor. That's right, sweating is free. It can take as little as 5 minutes or as long as 30 to break a sweat. But somewhere around the 10-minute mark is the sweet spot. So think about that. Can you do a yoga practice in 5 minutes? Maybe, but it's more what I'd like to call a yogic snack. These are delicious. If you want to get better at yoga, you want to go for at least 30 minutes, so you have time for a proper warm-up. That will still give you 15 to 20 minutes to do some work and still enjoy the final resting posture. You also want to warm up gradually, rather than having a sharp spike. Because you're increasing your heart rate, a slow and steady warm-up will reduce the stress on your heart. And here's a bonus reason to warm up. You're less likely to be sore after you finish your yoga when you warm up. What about stretching as a warm-up? This is a huge topic, but the science says that static stretching is better if you've already warmed up. Not warming up is the biggest mistake that affects beginners, but there are others. Watch this video next to learn the 5 things I wish I knew as a beginner.